Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FRED. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Pretty wild movement today, although pretty anticlimactic. Why I say that, off the right out of the gates, I mean, this thing made a very, very nice move. It leveled off, and then that was pretty much all she wrote. And the rest of the day, the price just drifted back to the downside. So like I said, definitely set off a lot of scanners and such in the morning, but there just simply wasn't any follow through. But it's not like the entire chart collapsed in the sense of, it broke down through the critical area of support. And that critical area of support is down here at the 55-cent mark. And there's nothing fancy behind 55 other than the fact that, this is the lows. I mean, that is as low as it's gone since this nasty move a few days ago. So you definitely want to see the bulls hold strong there, which, to give full credit where credit's due, so far so good. Really, the price hasn't even been down to 55 cents since that first time a few days ago. But that is definitely, the area of support. And why I would say that, yeah, it was a disappointing day in the sense of, the price. Let me just do this real quick so you can see a little bit more context. So there we go. So sure, this morning the price made the big move up. But like I said, after that, the price literally went right back to where it was. What do I mean by, back to where it was? Well, I mean, before the movement, the price was down around this area right here. And you look at where the price closed. And like I said, that is literally right back to this area, before that bounce happened. So like I said, a disappointing day, but not a train wreck of a day where the price, exploded upward, then all of a sudden just completely crashed to the downside. So keep an eye on, the 55-cent mark, preferably speaking, if the price can continue to hold up above. Let's get another area of support mapped out. If the price can stay up here above the level at, what is that? 58, that would be, that would be a better case scenario. If 58 cannot hold, then yeah, at that point, it would not be shocking at all to see the price, drop down to the 55-cent mark, if not lower. In the event the price does level off and start to head back up, let's map out a couple areas of resistance quick. Overall, nothing fancy or complicated behind this other than the fact that the party on the bounce that occurred this morning stopped right up there at the 69-cent mark. So 69, definitely public enemy number one going into the remainder of the week. So overall, yes, a disappointing day. There's no need to beat around the bush. However, not a total train wreck of a day or anything. We'll see if the bulls can turn this ship around or not. Still a couple days left this week. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.